Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App. It's a really simple method that lets you receive Bitcoin directly into your account. We'll walk through each step, making sure you understand how to find and use your unique address. This process is quick, usually taking less than 1 minute, and it's essential for anyone looking to manage their Bitcoin on the platform. Let's get started and make receiving Bitcoin easy for you. First, open your Cash App on your smartphone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Bitcoin tab. It's usually represented by a B icon, often found at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will take you to your dedicated Bitcoin section within the app. This is where all your Bitcoin activity is managed, and it's our starting point for finding your receiving address. It's a quick tap, and you're on your way. Now that you're in the Bitcoin section, you'll see an option to receive Bitcoin. Tap on this button. Immediately, your unique Bitcoin wallet address will appear on your screen. This address is a long string of letters and numbers, typically 34 characters long, and it's specific to your Cash App account. To use it, simply tap the Copy Address button. This action saves the address to your clipboard, ready for you to paste it wherever needed. When you're ready to receive Bitcoin, always double-check the address you've copied. It's crucial because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible once sent. Make sure every character matches perfectly. Your Cash App Bitcoin address is for receiving Bitcoin only, not other cryptocurrencies. Keep your app secure with a strong PIN or biometric lock. Remember, accuracy ensures your funds arrive safely, giving you peace of mind with every transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.